going on, YouTube? We back with another video, and I just want to say thank you all for commenting, and subscribing. The ones that have been watching the video, you feel me? This is my 6-speed Ultima, and today's video we're gonna be teaching you all how to drive manual. If you didn't know, this is a 6-speed car. If I didn't say that, I'm gonna say it a lot in this video because I love this car. You feel me? Look at all that pollen, man. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Wow! In today's video, we are going to be breaking it down, making it simple for y'all. Y'all will know how to drive manual by the end of this video. I promise you, you will know how to drive manual in the end of this video. But first of all, I want to say, make sure y'all come to an empty parking lot. If this is your first time, you know, if you got a yard, do it in the yard. Make sure it's okay with your parents if this is your first time. But anyways, come to an empty parking lot. Get somebody to bring you to an empty parking lot. And just practice. Practice makes perfect when it comes to manual driving. There's no perfect way to drive manual. Everybody has their own different style of it, but I'm gonna show you the way I do it, the way that was easiest for me to learn, even though I learned on a racing sim basically, and then my dad threw me in a car when I was 12 or 13. But anyways, we're gonna get right into the video. So on a traditional car, you always have that middle pedal and that farthest pedal on your right, which is your accelerator and your brake pedal. But when it comes down to a manual car, you have this third pedal, which is called your clutch, and that's going to be on your farthest left, the one that you can push down, not the rest area, but the actual pedal that you can push down. So the other thing that you have when driving a manual car, you have this thing, which is your gear shifter. Most cars, well, not most cars, but some cars are going to come in 5 speeds. Some cars are going to come in 6 speeds. There is a such thing as a 4-speed, and there is a such thing as a 3-speed. But most 3 speeds are on a column, which is going to be on the actual steering wheel. I don't know how to drive a column yet, but we will get there in the future. Now we're going to teach you where your gears are at. So neutral is the biggest key to driving manual. You always want to know where neutral is. In neutral, you can only go left and right. Any other gear, you cannot go left and right. So your neutral is always left and right, and it's going to be in the middle of your gears. First gear is always going to be to the left and up. That's always going to be first gear. Second gear is going to be to the left and straight down. So if you keep it on the left from first and you just go straight down, you'll be in second gear. To get the third, you want to go back in the middle. See, it always puts itself back in the middle. Straight up is going to be your third gear. Fourth gear is going to be straight down from third. So if you're in the middle, you just want to go straight down, you'll be in fourth gear. Fifth gear is over, all the way to the right, and up. That's always your fifth gear. Sixth gear, if you have a 6-gear car, your 6th gear will be straight down from 5th gear. Simple as that. So you have 1, 2, middle, 3, 4, to the right, 5, and 6. So when starting your car is very simple. All you want to do is push the clutch all the way down and press the on key, or turn the key, push the start button, whatever you got, go ahead and do it, and the car should turn on. So now that your car is on, if you're in first gear or any gears, you always want to make sure you're in neutral before letting all the way off the clutch. Just starting your car, letting it warm up, you just want to make sure it's in neutral. So by that, like I said, just pull it back a little bit. It should fall in neutral, left, right, and now you can let off the clutch. Now that you have the basics to driving manual, with knowing where your gears are at, knowing how to push in the clutch, and everything like that, now we're going to be teaching you all how to get your car started rolling. It's very simple. All you want to do is push the clutch down, push your car in first gear, put your foot on the brake, e-brake down. When you're ready to start driving, all you're going to do is, well, gotta close our door first, but what you're going to do is slowly let off the clutch. You don't need any gas, really. Slowly let off the clutch until you feel a bite point. That is the engagement point of the transmission. And pull the clutch out until you feel a bite point, and the car's going to barely start to roll, or you're going to feel it grab. And you're just going to sit on that point until it's fully, the car starts rolling and then you can let off the clutch. As you see, foot on the brake, the car is at 0 miles per hour. I'm gonna straighten this wheel up like that, 0 miles per hour. You're gonna slowly let out till you feel it. See the RPM start to drop and the car starts to move a little bit. And we're moving. No gas needed. See, no gas needed. Foot wasn't on the gas, and now we're rolling. Simple as that. And then we're gonna come to a stop. This is how to come to a stop. You're gonna put your foot on the clutch, make sure nothing's in front of you, and just brake. And see, we have come to a stop. Put the car in neutral and let out the clutch. Now, when it comes to stalling your vehicle, it is okay. I promise you, it is okay. But what it happens is when you let out the clutch too far or too fast, in a sense, the car will lurch forward and then it will just shut off. So as y'all see, we push the clutch in, we put the car in first gear, put the e-brake down, and then I'm just gonna let off the clutch really fast so y'all see what it does. See, it lurches forward and everything turns off, warning lights turns off, and this is okay. It is okay. I promise you, all you want to do is just push the clutch back in, turn the car back on, try again, man. It's okay. We make mistakes. Things happen. It's not okay for the car, but it's not gonna hurt the car in a sense. Like it's damaging anything. Sorry, that was pretty loud, but it's not gonna damage anything really if you don't do it all the time. You feel me? Pros make mistakes. Drivers that's been doing this for years, they've let out the clutch too fast on certain cars. It's okay. It happens. Some older cars need more gas. You apply more gas when you do it. Find different techniques to learn your car. The more you do it, the more you learn. Mistakes are what make us knowledgeable. You make mistakes and you learn from it. You keep going. Just do it over and over again until y'all get it down. Now I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to shift gears. It's very simple. This is gonna be the last step to this video. I promise you this video not gonna be too long, but if y'all are liking the video and y'all are liking my content and supporting, we do POV drives too. I did a video before this video came out of me doing a POV drive. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Give me support. Give me comments on what I should do better, what y'all want to do or see on the channel. You feel me? I can get stuff shaking and baking, you know. But anyways, just make sure y'all go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. We are in the middle of towards the end of the video, and the next video will be how to get started on a hill and more progression driving. And then we'll do a video. If that video does good, then we'll do a video on how to downshift and rev match. Y'all let me know, but we're gonna be showing y'all how to shift gears right now, and then it's gonna be the end of the video. All right, so when it comes to shifting gears, all you want to do is, first of all, you want to put the car in first gear, right? Then you want to just release the clutch, just like the first steps. Release the clutch till you're rolling. All right, now that we're rolling, you want to keep going. We're gonna make a U-turn right here since we're in an empty parking lot. Then we can do that. Make sure we look both ways. And my door's still open. But yeah, all you want to do is take it, push the clutch in, go down to second, let out the clutch slowly, and you're in second gear. It's that easy, guys. It's that easy. Make a U-turn. You're gonna look both ways. And then when you want to go to third gear, same thing. Clutch in, third gear, let out the clutch. It's that simple, y'all. YouTube, guys, parents, family, anybody that's watching this video, I just want to say thank you. Your attention span is longer than a ADHD because you stayed here for the whole video, even though you want to learn how to drive manual. But most people don't stay to the end of the videos because our attention spans just get shorter and shorter and shorter thanks to TikTok, Instagram Shorts, and Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. You feel me? Attention spans are not long anymore. But anyways, thank y'all for supporting me, the ones that have been here the longest. If you like my videos, like this video, go ahead and leave a comment, like, comment, subscribe, anything. I just want to grow. Growth is key in life with anything you do. Remember that. But anyways, I just want to say thank y'all. And this is my 6B Ultima. I do POV drives with it. For part 2, I want to get at least 30 likes on this video. I know I don't get likes for real, or I don't grow for real, but growth is key this year. Growth is what I want to do. My mindset has changed with a lot of things in life. And yes, this is my car, 6B Ultima. Like I said, I do POVs, I do videos. My channel is just a little bit of just my life. But anyways, thank y'all for supporting. It's gonna be the end of this video, and yeah.